Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today I want to show you how to close multiple apps on your iPhone device. Now, obviously, if you have a newer iPhone without the home button, this is a little bit easier. I'm going to show you on this device how to do that. Unfortunately, right now, Apple does not have an option to close all your apps at one time, but you can close multiple apps at one time, and I'm going to show you. So the first thing you want to do, obviously, is drag from the bottom and hold, and then you're going to see your apps pop up, okay? And you can slide through your apps just to see how many you have. Now, if you want to close one app, it's pretty simple, right? So you just simply hold on the app and you drag up. But if you want to close multiple apps, you're going to need to pull them over a little bit, and then you're going to need to use multiple fingers. You can do 3 apps at a time. So you grab multiple and then drag up. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully in the future there is a feature so that you can have close all the apps at once, but as of right now, this is the quickest way. Now there is another option, and that is if you completely shut your phone down and then restart it, and then obviously you won't have the apps showing up anymore, and they'll all be closed down. Other than that, that is the only current option for closing all apps at once. All right, hopefully this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.